plants are nature gifts. So let us continue about plants. A plant has many parts, okay? Like each part has a set of function to do. As I told you before, each parts of the plant doing their own functions. Okay, so the basic parts of a plants are root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Okay, so let us learn about various parts of the plant, their structures and functions. The meaning of the structure is the arrangement of the parts of something. So we are going to study now about the each parts, what are they doing, how they are working for the plants. Okay, so first we are going to know about root. So the root is a part of the plant that usually grows under the soil. What I told you, root is always grow under the soil. Okay, so roots can be of different shapes and sizes. It grows away from sunlight into the soil because under the ground there is no sunlight at all. So they are growing without sunlight. Okay, only leaves absorb the sunlight. Okay, root are not eligible for absorbing the sunlight. So they are of two main types. Okay, there are two main types of root. Okay, what are these? Let us see. Tap root and fibrous roots. Okay, I will show you the picture tap roots and the fibrous roots. So here also shows children. Look, observe this tap root. This is the main root. This is known as tap root. And surrounding this is a small, this is the branches of the root. Okay, so tap root is the main root which is grow deep into the ground, into the soil. Okay, and store food. So tap root. Tap roots has one main thick root. It grows from the radicle and goes deep into the soil. Okay, it's good. See, radicle is root grows at the base of a plant or at the base of a stem, especially arising directly from the stem. Okay, children, root arising directly from the base of the stem, isn't it? See, it's grow from the tree stem directly and it goes deep into the soil. Mainly small thin roots grow out from the main root. So see, these are the small thin roots that grow from the main roots. Okay, plants such as carrot, beetroot, turnip, mango and neem have tap roots. These plants are the example of tap root. Fibrous roots. Okay, so these fibrous roots consist of many thin roots of different sizes. Okay, they grow from the base of the stem and all of them are branched together. See here, so many branches, children, so many branches here. It's growing. See, it's different from the tap root. Okay, it has so many branches. Okay, and it's growing into the soil. They do not go deep into the soil. These roots are not growing very deep into the soil because it is a fibrous root. Tap root only grow deep into the soil and fibrous roots are different from the tap root. Okay, plants such as grass, paddy, wheat and onion have fibrous roots. Okay, now you know the example of the fibrous roots, children. So you have to remember these points. Okay, now functions of the roots, how they are functioning, how they are working. Okay, what kind of help they are providing to plant. So let us see. fixation. Okay, they are fixing the plant on the ground. So root fixes the plant firmly to the soil. Without the roots, a plant would fall on the ground. Okay, if there is a no root, how they are standing on the ground, plants and trees? They are not able to stand erect. Because of roots only they are standing erect on the ground, because roots are helping plants to stand. Okay, they are holding the plants firmly on the ground. Absorption. Roots absorb water and minerals. Okay, that is what nutrients, minerals, okay, require for the plants from the soil. So what are the different types of minerals is there? They are observing. After observing, they are allowing to pass. They are allowing to give. They are passing to the these nutrients to the leaves. So they are preparing food for the whole plants. Okay. Now storage of the food. In some plants, root store food. For example, carrot, radish and beetroot. Okay, so this is known as only taproot can store the food. Okay, children, only taproot can store the food. Stem also store the food, that you will study in higher grades, but later on. But here only taproots are storing the food. Now the differences between the taproot and the fibrous roots. So look here, taproot, thick main root that goes deep into the soil. Okay, no main root here. Okay, and the roots do not go deep into the soil. Here fibrous roots. Side roots are developed from the main roots. So the side roots, okay, developed from the main roots. Roots are developed from the base of the stems. Here branches of the roots are developing from the base of the roots. Okay, children.